By following the steps outlined in this section, as well as reviewing the how to measure and proper unpacking chapters, you can ensure that you will enjoy your Thermo-Rite fireplace enclosure for years to come. To review the full Thermo-Rite product line, continue to the next chapter. The Thermo-Rite Z-Door is a stock enclosure that is used on prefabricated and zero clearance fireplaces. It is designed to mount flush inside the fireplace opening and to allow for the proper amount of airflow needed for a zero clearance fireplace to stay cool. Thermo-Rite's Z-Doors can be placed in an open or closed position while the wood-burning fireplace is in use. FS2 or full swing fold-back doors offer a larger, clear view of the fire within. Yet as you can see, the fireplace maintains its good looks with the doors in the closed position. The Z-Door features an anodized aluminum frame. This particular door is shown in a bronze color. The Z-Door comes in 6 such finishes in 16 powder coat colors in 94 sizes. The door comes standard with light bronze glass. Thermo-Rite offers a lifetime warranty on the glass. This is the Thermo-Rite Z-Decor, shown in a natural iron finish. The Z-Decor is available as an inside fit only. Like the Z-Door, the Z-Decor is also manufactured to fit zero clearance in prefabricated fireplaces, which have specific airflow requirements. It is similar to a Z-Door, but has a slightly narrower frame, which allows for the frame inserts that offer a two-tone color look. The Z-Decor is available in 2 finishes in 16 powder coat colors with 5 different frame inserts. This sample features CV2 or bifold track doors, ideal for fireplaces with rock or stone at the sides of the opening. The Z-Decor is also available with the FS2 foldback style doors. The Z-Decor comes standard with light bronze glass. Thermo-Rite offers a lifetime warranty on the glass. A very popular enclosure, the Reserve, is an overlap mount. It comes standard with the FS2 bifold swing-back doors for a clear view of the fire. The fireplace can be burned with the doors open or fully closed. Available in 54 sizes in 16 powder coat colors, the finish shown is a natural iron. The Reserve comes with a lifetime warranty on the glass. The Thermo-Rite Heritage enclosure is specifically made for masonry fireplaces. It is shown in a copper finish. The Heritage is custom made out of a 1/4 inch welded steel to the exact dimensions of the fireplace opening. It is available in 2.5 inch and 1 3/4 frame sizes. The Heritage comes with standard FS2 doors which fold back to provide a full view of the fire, enclosed with the latch and catch method to make for a secure fireplace closure. CV2 bifold track doors are also available, as well as an optional mesh door for easy wood loading. The sample includes an optional hidden air draft control at the bottom of the enclosure, which allows for burning wood with the doors closed. Here's the hidden air draft control. This lever shows you how it operates. What makes this enclosure very popular is its graceful 1/4 inch overlap mount. Compared to typical enclosures that overlap the fireplace opening by as much as 1.5 inches. The enclosure is also available as an inside fit. Heritage is offered in 16 powder coat finishes and comes with a lifetime warranty on the glass. This is the Thermo-Rite Heritage full arch door specifically made for masonry fireplaces. The Heritage arch enclosure is custom made out of a 1/4 inch welded steel to the exact dimensions of the arched fireplace. It is available in 2.5 inch and 1 3/4 inch frame sizes. Here it is shown in a natural iron finish, one of our most popular finishes, and features fold back doors. Optional mesh doors are also available. These are the only arch doors in the industry that fit flush with the frame to provide a finished look. Available in 16 powder coat finishes, the Heritage arch enclosure includes a lifetime warranty on the glass. It is also available as an arch plate series. In this section, Thermo-Rite proudly presents its full line of stock and custom glass enclosures for both masonry and zero clearance fireplaces. The Chalet is an anodized aluminum glass fireplace enclosure with 2 3/4 inch top and side panels and an 11/16 inch bottom panel. This enclosure has clear view twin doors and opens a full 180 degrees. Reserve is an anodized aluminum glass fireplace enclosure with 2 3/4 inch top and side panels and 11/16 inch bottom panel. The Decor is an anodized aluminum enclosure with 2 3/4 inch top and side panels and 11/16 inch bottom panel. The Revere is a brass plated enclosure with 2 1/2 inch side panels, 3 inch top and bottom panels, and a hidden center draft control. The Regal is a brass plated enclosure with 3 inch side panels, 1 1/4 inch top cap, 3 inch top and bottom panels, filigree, and a center draft control. The Original is a solid brass enclosure with 3 inch side panels, 1 1/4 inch top cap, 3 inch top and bottom panels, filigree, and a center draft control. The twin panel mesh door has a framework constructed of anodized aluminum with 2 3/4 inch top and side panels and an 11/16 inch bottom panel. The twin panel mesh door features a 1/8 inch flattened expanded 25 gauge steel mesh, securely mounted in an anodized aluminum extruded frame. The Clearview mesh door has a framework constructed of anodized aluminum with 2 3/4 inch top and side panels, and an 11/16 inch bottom panel. The one-piece mesh door features a 1/8 inch flattened, expanded 25 gauge steel mesh, securely mounted in an anodized aluminum extruded frame. The Chateau collection includes the Aztec, Roman, and Tuscan models. Each model is 1/4 inch welded steel plate enclosure with a 2 inch frame. These are available as an overlap or inside fit. The Normandy is a 1/8 inch welded aluminum 2 inch channel frame enclosure. It is available as an overlap or inside fit. The Tradition picture frame is an aluminum enclosure with 3 1/8 inch top, side, and bottom panels. It is available as an overlap fit only. The maximum overlap is 2 inches on each side, 2 3/4 inch top with mesh curtain, and 3 3/4 inch top with mesh doors. The Heritage is Thermo-Rite's first welded steel frame enclosure. The frame is made out of 1/4 inch by 2 1/2 inch on 1 3/4 inch steel plate. The door features Thermo-Rite's rugged self-aligning hinges in CV2 or FS2 design. The Heritage Arch is a 1/4 inch steel plate enclosure with either a 1 3/4 inch or 2 1/2 inch wide frame in a laser cut full arch or welded arch plate design. It is available as an inside or overlap fit. The Cameo is an anodized aluminum enclosure with 7/8 inch mitered frame and a 3/8 inch mitered inner frame for a total frame width of 1 1/4 inch. It is available as an overlap or inside fit. The maximum overlap is 1 1/2 inch each side, 1 inch top with mesh, and 1 3/4 inch top without mesh. The Phantom is an anodized aluminum enclosure with thin 1/4 inch sides and a 3/4 inch wide top and bottom frame. It is available as an inside fit only. The Laser is an anodized aluminum enclosure with 1 3/4 inch frame that protrudes only 3/8 inch from the face of the fireplace. It is available as a combination overlap inside fit. The Prism is a solid brass enclosure utilizing a 2 inch wide frame and frame inserts. It is available as an overlap or inside fit. An air prism draft option provides a fully controllable air draft shutter system. The maximum overlap is 2 3/8 inch each side, 1 3/4 inch top with mesh, and 2 3/8 inch top without mesh. The Classic is a solid brass enclosure with a 1-inch frame. It is available as an overlap or inside fit. The maximum overlap is 1 1/4 inch each side, 1 inch top with mesh, and 1 3/4 inch top without mesh. The Park Avenue is a solid brass enclosure with a 2-inch frame. It is available as an overlap or inside fit. The maximum overlap is 2 1/2 inch each side, 1 7/8 inch top with mesh, and 2 3/4 inch top without mesh. One key feature is the air duct, which appears on all Park Avenue doors at the bottom of the frame. Custom masonry corner units are available for 2-sided or 3-sided fireplace openings in selected Thermo-Rite enclosure models. An overlap or inside fit is available. For 3-sided fireplaces, consult factory for availability and pricing. The Z Heritage is a 1/4 inch welded steel plate enclosure with a 1 3/4 inch wide frame. It is available as an overlap fit. This enclosure can be installed on zero clearance boxes with marble, tile, or any non-combustible material up to 5/8 inch thick. The Z Laser is an anodized aluminum enclosure with 1 3/4 inch wide frame. It is available as an overlap fit. This enclosure can be installed on zero clearance boxes with marble, tile, or any non-combustible material up to 5/8 inch thick. The Z Classic is a solid brass enclosure with a 1-inch wide frame. It is available as an inside fit only. The Z-Track is an anodized aluminum track and glass enclosure with 3/4 inch wide top and bottom tracks. It is available as an inside fit only. The Z Phantom is an anodized aluminum enclosure with thin 1/4 inch sides and a 3/4 inch top and bottom frame. It is available as an inside fit only. Z Decor is an anodized aluminum enclosure with 3/4 inch wide frame. It is available as an inside fit only. Airspace is allowed on the sides, top, bottom, or combination to provide the same airflow as the manufacturer of the zero clearance fireplace. The Special Z is created from anodized aluminum and features bifold, full swing trackless doors. Available only as an inside fit, the unit incorporates a 3/4 inch wide frame. Airspace is allowed from the top, sides, or bottom, providing the same airflow as the zero clearance fireplace. The Z-Door is an anodized aluminum enclosure with a 7/8 inch wide frame. It is available as an inside fit only. Airspace is allowed from the top, sides, or bottom, providing the same airflow as the zero clearance fireplace. Enhance the appearance of an existing direct vent fireplace by adding a direct vent fireplace accessory mesh door. 3 different louver styles are available, including the leaf scroll, diamond, and Navajo louver to complement any room. Accent any room by adding an eye-appealing mesh door that attaches to an existing fireplace door with extra strength magnets. It's easy to install and makes for easy glass cleaning, perfect for any direct vent fireplace.